Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new chapter in maths. We will be starting chapter number 8, measurement. Now we have different quantities to measure, like liquid and solid. Like if vegetables or anything your mother is buying, she will measure it in kg. And if it is a bottle of milk or water, we will measure it in liters. Now measurement can also be big or small, long, short. So we will start with the basic of measurement first, with the big and small. So let us see. Now see the first page. These are handprints at different ages. Circle the biggest one and tick the smallest one. What are these? These are the handprints of our hand. So they are of different ages. So when you were small, your hands were small. Now when you are growing up, your hands are big. So what we have to do? We have to circle the biggest one. Let us see which is the biggest one out of these three. This one, red one, is the biggest one. So we will circle it. Yes, and we have to tick the smallest one. Which is the smallest one? This one. So we will tick over here. Then see this one. These are my favorite toys. Circle the heaviest one and tick the lightest one. See, three toys are given. This is a toy car, toy elephant and a ball. So we have to circle the heaviest one. This one, car, will be the heaviest one. So circle it, and the lightest one will be this ball. So we will tick over here. Okay, then see this one. I drink these every day. Circle the one that holds the most and tick the one that holds the least. Now see, three glasses are given. हमको कौन सा ग्लास सर्कल करना है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विड है? See this one. So we will circle this and we will tick the one which has the least. Which has the least? This one. So we will tick over here. Okay. Now see, these are my clothes at different ages. Circle the longest one and tick the shortest one. See, when you were small, your clothes were also small. Now you have grown up. So you are wearing big clothes. So which is the longest one? This pant. See, this we will circle and we will tick the shortest one. Which is the shortest one? This one. So we will tick it over here. Okay. Now let us see the next page. Okay, see this one, students. Use your fingertip. This is your fingertip. See your first fingertip. We have to measure the length of each crayon. Now this is your exercise. Okay, what you will do, आप अपना finger जो crayon दिया है यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे आप अपना finger रखोगे and then you will measure the crayon. Okay, you will put your finger. This has to be done by you only because सबकी जो fingertips है उसकी size अलग होती है. Okay, so if I do this with my fingertip, my fingers are bigger and your fingers will be small. So the answer will be different. So you measure it with your. आपको यहाँ पे crayon पे अपनी fingertip रखनी है. This part, see. ऐसे फिंगर्स रख के मेजर करना है कि ये कितने फिंगर्स है. ओके, ये सब स्टूडेंट्स का भी आंसर अलग अलग होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस आंसर विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज आप सबके फिंगर्स की साइज अलग होगी. ओके, नाउ सी उसके नीचे का क्वेश्चन देखो. We can also use arm spans, hand spans, foot spans or paces to measure length. Now, how you can measure? Like आपके कितने arms में, like see यहाँ पे classroom wall दिया है. Every time we do this activity in the class, but this time you will be doing this activity at your home. What you have to do? आपको जो आपका बेडरूम है या लिविंग रूम है वहां की वॉल मेजर करनी है अपने दोनों आर्म्स खोल के कि कितने आर्म स्पैन्स में होता है. ओके, नाउ सी blackboard is not possible because at home you will not have a blackboard. Then table, for this you can use your table जिस पे आप होमवर्क करते हो वो टेबल आप यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, वहां पे आपको ऐसे फिंगर रख के, सी यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दिया है हैंड स्पैन मतलब आपका थंब और आपकी जो लास्ट फिंगर है वो एक, उसको ऐसे आप खोलोगे तो एक हैंड स्पैन बनता है. तो आपको ऐसे मेजर करना है कि कितने हैंड स्पैन में आपका टेबल बन हो रहा है. ठीक है. नाउ टीचर्स टेबल है तो आपके घर पे तो टीचर्स टेबल नहीं होगा, आप डाइनिंग टेबल मेजर कर सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज एन एक्टिविटी. ओके, दिस इज नॉट फॉर एग्जाम सिलेबस, एग्जाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे. दिस इज जस्ट एन एक्टिविटी विच यू कैन डू एट योर होम. फिर ये जो फुट स्पैन है सबके फुट की साइज अलग होगी. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स इस पेज में सबके आंसर्स अलग अलग आएंगे बिकॉज सबके हैंड्स, आर्म्स और फुट्स की साइजेस अलग होती है. सो आपको अपने आप मेजर करके लिखना है कि कबर्ड से आपके बेड का कितना डिस्टेंस है, डोर का कितना डिस्टेंस है. ओके, दैट यू कैन राइट विद योर फुट स्पैन्स. देन दिस इज योर पेसेस. पेसेस मीन्स जो फुट स्टेप्स हम लेते हैं. So now classroom door or your seat won't be there in your house. So this you can measure between your main door. Okay, जो आपका सोफा है वहां से आप अपने मेन डोर तक का डिस्टेंस इसमें लिख सकते हो. Okay, so this page you can take it as an activity or as an homework because this answer will be different for every student because सबके hands और legs का measurement अलग होता है. And this activity you will do at your home only. Yes, now see. Okay, now here this is another activity. Let me explain how we will do it. Okay, first ये जो paper strip है, cut this much part. आप उसका पार्ट कट कर लो एंड देन यू हैव टू मेजर. जो इरेजर है उसके बाजू में आप रखो ये पेपर क्लिप. सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8 पेपर क्लिप्स आर गिवन. यहाँ पे जो डॉटेड लाइंस दी है, कट दिस मच पार्ट ऑफ द पेपर स्ट्रिप और उसको जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है वहां पे रखो. सपोज आप यहाँ पे इरेजर के पास वो रखोगे तो दिस विल बी 2 पेपर क्लिप्स. I am roughly giving you the answer so that you have an idea. Okay, this will be 2 paper clips. Then sharpener, this sharpener will be 1 paper clip. Then this spoon, this will be I think around 4 paper clips, 4 or 5 it will be. Okay, this thermometer will be 3 paper clips. And now see this pencil. I think the pencil will be around 6 paper clips. Okay, now see this kind of activity we will not be taking in the exam, but this is just for your understanding. Okay, so you get an idea how we have to do the measurements. So that activity you can do at your home. Now see the correct length. How to measure the correct length. 2 पेंसिल है, जेसी और पॉल दोनों अपने पेंसिल्स का लेंथ मेजर कर रहे. नाउ हाउ डू यू मेजर? सी जो लास्ट का टिप है दिस इज रॉन्ग. जो लास्ट का टिप है वो कॉमन होना चाहिए, एक ही प्लेस पे रखना है. ओके, देन ओनली यू कैन मेजर द लेंथ. Okay, which is the pencil? Whose pencil is longer? See, the name is written on the pencil. Yellow pencil is longer. This belongs to Jessie. So it will be Jessie. Okay. Okay. Now let us see. Okay. Now let us see. This is easy. It is given only. We just have to count the erasers and then we have to write. Yes. See this one. Some things are given और यहाँ पे हमको height count करनी है. कैसे count करनी है? एक erasers का एक पाइल दिया हुआ है, एक बंच दिया हुआ है, हमको काउंट करना है. लाइक सी ये कप है तो वो कितने इरेजर्स जितना टॉल है काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6 इरेजर्स. ओके. ये पेंसिल है तो वो कितने इरेजर्स जितनी लॉन्ग है. लेट्स सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. I think it is 11. Yes. Likewise, see this juice carton. It is tall as how many erasers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes. So write over here 9. Then see this book. This book is tall as how many erasers? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So you can write over here 14. Yes. Now see the next question. Another way to measure length. Which is the another way? See, the spoon is given and here different spoons are given and squares are given. Okay. So we have to count कि वो spoon कितने squares में fit हो रही है. Let us see. See the first one. This spoon is fitting in 2 squares. Then see the next one. This spoon is fitting in 4 squares. So write over here 4. Then this spoon is fitting in 3 squares. So write over here 3. Then this one. This will fit in 5 squares. Okay. Yes. Now see this. This is the same one. यहाँ पे spoons की जगह पे crayons दिए हुए हैं. We have to find कि कौन सा crayon कितने squares में आ रहा है. Let us see. The red crayon. Red crayon is coming in 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares. So write over here 4. Then green crayon. Green crayon कितने squares में आ रहा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So write over here 7. Then yellow crayon. Yellow crayon is coming in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 squares. So we will write over here 9. Then blue crayon. Count the blue crayon is coming in how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 squares. And the pink crayon will come in how many squares? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So write over here 8. Yes. So students, complete till here page number 130. Then we will continue in the next class.